Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue ringtone volume is low for incoming calls. I would be showing two methods. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Method 1. Go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go down. Select Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode here. Go down. Here we can see attention aware features. By default, this would be enabled like this. So we have to disable it. We have to tap here and disable attention aware features. This is a method 1. Let me go to method 2. Method 2. Again go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Select sounds. Here we can see ringtone and alerts. We can increase volume here. Just tap here and swipe to right side. This way we can increase the volume. This is a method 2. So these are the two methods to fix ringtone volume is low for incoming calls issue. Please check it.